down? We gon' burn it down. Burn it down. Burn it down. We gon' burn it down.
Seuil Studios, established in 2019, is a footwear brand founded by Dionna Ross. That's Dionna Ross, not to be confused with Diana. Focusing on classic boundless silhouettes with a bold but simplistic edge. What started as an idea has transformed into the ultimate go-to place for the everyday woman to find an amazing, stylish pair of shoes. It is the true definition of timeless, limitless footwear, as all designs are of one of a kind, embodying minimalism while catching the eye with use of patterns, prints, and color. Each design is crafted to perfection in order to maintain sustainability with the brand, valuing premium quality, versatility, and exclusivity before all else.
You got it, girl, you got it. You got it, girl, you got it. You wanna go home? Hey. You got it, girl, you got it. Hey. 'Cause I don't wanna play no games, play no games. I don't wanna. Hey. You got it, girl, you got it. Hey. You got it, girl, you got it. You got it, girl, you got it. Hey. You got it, girl, you got it. Yeah. Freaky, I can learn a lot from you. Gotta come teach me. You a little hot girl, you a little.
The pointed up-and-toe Mamba heel is an edgy stiletto with its bold toe loop and unique croc-style print. Constructed of leather with a PVC polyvinyl chloride synthetic plastic polymer upper, leather lining, leather and rubber sole. Featuring an adjustable front and sling back ankle straps with a heel height of 4.5 inches. Made in China, the all black Mamba heel here in a US size 9, exclusively from online website designer Seuil, that's SEUIL.com, at the retail price of $129, excluding tax and shipping. Is offered in whole sizes only, ranging from a size 5 in women's up to a size 11 in limited quantity. Wear with a tuxedo dress or boyfriend mini shirt dress to turn things up a notch, or go all the way cash in a fitted denim jumpsuit. Despite its valiant efforts, the Mamba is just not Superfly. But they don't buy my superheroes. Offering a much better look online that's not as necessarily catching to the eye in hand or even on foot, and uncomfortable as hell given the lack of cushioning and flatness of the sole, is just, I'm sorry, a poorly constructed heel. Whether carpet, flooring, or ground, you can feel it all underneath your feet, and each and every step you take, with the toe loop choking in between your toes, straining your every move, given the limited area of wiggle room between strap and toe. I really do not like it. I might go as far as saying this is my least favorite shoe of all. While a sexy concept, the pointed angular front is no more than an awkwardly empty space, as your foot does not even enter far enough into the open realm, leaving a gap of empty shoe space. Sealing the don't buy is the return policy, which is basically non-existent, with Seuil currently not offering refunds on unwanted products, meaning you simply cannot change your mind upon receiving and return for a full refund. Now that's crazy when buying an online shoe. No bueno. Don't you agree? As long as it's not worn and returned in the same condition as it was received within a reasonable amount of time, a buyer should be able to return if unsatisfied with the shoe fit, look, feel, especially if you don't have an actual store to go into and try them on. I'm just saying. Tell me your thoughts on the Mamba, as I would love to hear from my superheroes out there. But for now, like, subscribe, hit that bell for a reminder, and here's your up close look at the Mamba. Until next week, smash that like button, subscribe to my channel, and hit that bell so you can get a notification every time I post a video. Period. I'm out. Okay, wait a minute. I'm just going to do it again.